Man, one of us is about to die any second now. Why am I doing this? Man, I don't even know if this is gonna work. Wilson! No! Wilson! Okay, so y'all saw a recent video of mine where I connected the iPad Air as my primary monitor for the Mac Mini. Today, we're gonna take it to a whole new level. Today, we're going to the great outdoors. Oh, well, my backyard. Let's go. So the whole idea is I kind of want to see if I can edit parts of this video that you're watching right now on my Mac Mini completely portable outside. Okay, so here's the things we're gonna need. Backpack, the iPad Air. So this is gonna be the monitor of choice, the Luna display dongle. If you've seen some of my videos I've made on this guy, what it does is it allows you to use your Mac with your iPad as an external monitor. Next, because we're gonna be in the great outdoors, I'm gonna take a USB-C cable because it just makes the connection better with Luna display when you're connecting your Mac Mini to your iPad Air. Trackpad, and your keyboard, and I'm also gonna take this, and of course, the Mac Mini. And last but not least, the most important thing, hands down, is the tech YouTuber plant. Just to show that I'm authentic. Okay, but there's one major problem with this whole thing. Mac Mini doesn't run on battery power. You gotta use something that you can plug in this AC power cable to. That would probably be a good time to say this video is sponsored by RAV Power. I had to go with a charger that was portable, something that has decent power output, and most importantly, it had to have this. This moment is gonna decide whether this video flops or not. Let's go. Boom. Let's do this. Power button. Yes! This July, one man will... Dude, you're not doing the slow motion thing. Again. This July, one man will go where no Mac has ever gone before. Why am I doing this? I don't even know. I have no idea why I'm doing this, but hey, it's happening. I just got like this little thing set up here. Hopefully that will keep me warm, at least for a little bit. The great outdoors. It gets the iPad high enough elevation. Okay, this is so crazy. What am I doing? I want to plug in Luna display. I'm going to turn on my peripherals. All right, who's ready? All right, guys, moment of truth. Plugged in. We're going to power this on. Yes, yes, yes. All right, boys and girls, we're up and running. I'm literally so blown away by this. This is probably the most stupidest thing I've done in a while. Guys, I'm freezing. This is inhumane. I shouldn't be doing this. I don't know what's gonna go first. My Mac Mini from battery drain or myself from hypothermia. Pray for me. Hey, Ambreen, I'm gonna send you my geolocation, okay? In case I pass out. If I don't message you in an hour, just come find me. I've been editing here for about an hour now. I don't know how long I can last. Wilson! No, Wilson! Wilson! No, Wilson! All right, guys, so after about a full hour, solid hour of working on this project, I think we've gotten a lot done. Let me show you what we've done so far. Okay, so I think I've pretty much narrowed down my music. So it's part of the job. Y'all know it. If you know, you know. All right, guys, I am freezing, so I'm gonna go inside. But you know what's interesting? I still have this Mac Mini plugged in and still running. It's only lost about 1 out of 5. Does that mean I'm gonna get 5 hours on a 20,000 milliamp battery bank? That's pretty cool. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go inside, but I'm still gonna keep this all plugged in just to see how long it lasts. So I just came inside and this thing is still going. Hold on. What the heck, man? To have 5 lights, only 2 have gone so far. This thing is charging my iPad as well, which is, yeah, that's a pretty cool combo, man. These 3 right here, that's a combo. Alright guys, we're back indoors now. It just became really dark and cold outside. That's why I got this mood lighting on. So I actually wanted to make a video on my portable Mac Mini setup, but then I had this idea, and this was just far more entertaining and fun to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Overall, I mean, the whole point of this video is there's no point. What I want to say though is that this is not something that I'm recommending you do. Like, nobody should be doing this. But yeah, this is just basically a fun idea I wanted to try out, and you know, it's supposed to be a proof of concept, so I tried to put it together, and I'm shocked that it actually works. That thing is still running. Like, the time right now is 6:35. I started, you know, running that thing at around 4. I also have Final Cut Pro running, as well as it's plugged into the iPad, so it's charging the iPad as well. One of the reasons this thing actually works, and it works so well, is because the Mac Mini only needs about 26 or 25 watts of power to run, and that power bank outputs about 65 watts of power, which makes it possible. And then with the power of Luna display, it just kind of ties the whole thing in together. Whoa, no, come back. Dude, my hands are like freezing. No, what just happened? No, Wilson, no.